Hi, my name is Mary Colenda, and welcome back to another quick office meditation at your desk. Let's dive right into 5 minutes of tranquility and focus. Before we begin our meditation, let's loosen up with some simple stretches. Gently rotate your neck, letting go of any tension. Now, stretch your arms overhead, feeling the stretch along your sides. Leaning over to your right and left. And maybe sprinkle in some seated cat and cows or any other stretches your body is craving right now. When you're ready, come back to a comfortable seated position. Plant your feet firmly on the ground beneath your knees. Place your hands gently on your thighs or keep them on your desk. You may look softly ahead or close your eyes. Let's start by tuning into our breath. Soften your forehead and unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders fall away from your ears, creating space around your heart. Feel the support of your chair beneath you. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs fully. Exhale slowly, releasing any stress or tightness. Again, breathe in and out. With each inhale, draw in peace and calm. With each exhale, let go of thoughts that do not feel pleasant. Notice the flow of air going in and out, allowing each breath to ground you more and more. Continue to breathe deeply. Focus on the sensation of your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the expansion and contraction of your lungs. Allow yourself to be present in this very moment, with each breath bringing you closer and closer to inner stillness. As we seal this meditation, you may bring your hands to your heart. Express gratitude to yourself for taking this time to reconnect and rejuvenate. Namaste. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to our next session. Have a fantastic day.